This is a quick video showing how I made a stud earring holder. This is where I put my longer, bigger earrings, but I needed somewhere to put my favorite stud earrings. So I got one of these plaques from Dollar Tree. And I don't know if they're at every Dollar Tree, but I took a drill. I had a drill bit that was, I don't even really know the measurement, but you just kind of have to decide how big the hole you want. So I chose the drill bit I needed. I put a bunch of holes in this, and I took a sand block and sanded the edges so that it didn't have like a bunch of paper sticking out or sticking up. And then I just chose some stickers to put in the middle to make it pretty. Thank you for watching.